Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video and I haven't prepared anything to shoot this video. So I'm just going with my flow. Kindly bear with me for this video. In future videos, I will try to write some content and I deliver it in perfect edit. So let's get into the video. First, let me tell my story. Basically, I'm a guy who is from a non-IT background, doesn't do any computer science course or something. Completely, I done a course that is completely different to IT. But my current situation is I'm completely broken. I am jobless and I have messed up with every possible thing in my life. So an year ago, I just thought of switching my field to a web development field. So I just started searching about different available resources and courses. But what I thought is I just want to get some resources that is completely free. So finally, I found out open source curriculum that is the Odin Project. Let's first, those who doesn't know about the Odin project, I will give you a brief introduction about this. This is an open source curriculum run by a community of developers. Uh, in this, you can go from scratch to complete a web developer. So this is where we can find all the paths in this curriculum. There is the foundation course. After that, you have two paths to decide. One is full stack JavaScript and another one is full stack Ruby on Rails. So first, a year ago, I have completed this foundation course. In this foundation course you will learn about basic computer computer things like what is a monitor, what is a mouse, keyboard. From that you will go along with learning the git. After that you will learn the html foundations. After that you will learn css foundations, and finally the javascript basics. When you complete this foundation, you will get a knowledge about what's going on, and after that you have to choose these two paths. You can choose any one of these, and what I chose at that time is full stack JavaScript. uh, in the future videos I will explain why I chose full stack JavaScript, but for now just go with the flow. uh, in that I have completed this HTML in CSS intermediate course. After that I just jumped into this JavaScript course. I have completed all these things. I have done a lot of projects in this. After that finally I completed up to this intermediate git thing. And what what the thing happened is I just again did a bad thing in my life. I just stopped learning this, and it's been a year I studied these things, and now again I'm completely broken, and I don't know what to do next. So what I think is I'm just going to blindly believe in this course, and I'm just going to learn everything. Like I'm going to revise everything what I have learned, and further going to study from this testing JavaScript. Because uh, from what the thing I have learned, uh, uh, like made me feel like I have learned something really useful. Because all these things took me around 2 months, a solid 2 months. In that I have learned a lot of things, and which I can speak a lot to anybody who learned all these things with the IT background. So I believe that it will be going to be very helpful if I complete this course. Like after completing the JavaScript, I have another module called Advanced HTML CSS. After that, a React course. After that, a databases and a Node.js, and finally getting hired. So this is my aim, because I'm going to work for getting a job. I'm especially from India, and I'm especially from a non-IT background, and I have completed my university 2 years before. This 2 years I haven't done anything related to getting a job because of some lot of personal problems. But what I think is, if you are good at what you're doing, you will definitely get a job. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make myself better at what I'm studying. So I'm just going to continue this. After revising everything, I'm just going to study from this testing JavaScript. So today onwards, I'm going to upload a video about what I'm learning, and how much those things took my time, and what I have learned from that. And I will try to put all those things into simpler words, and I will try to convey it in small videos, so that many people can like get some idea about what they are going to study. And finally, I'm going to make it as a challenge that whether this thing, the Odin project, is still relevant in this 2025, like in the mid of 2025. Uh, Also, whether it will give, it will going to help a non-IT guy to get into a IT job. So that's the complete point of making this video. And this is my first video, and I do insist you to follow my like subscribe my YouTube channel. And sorry for this, because I didn't prepare anything to speak with, so I'm just going with my flow. So you can hear a lot of struggles with my language, but I will try to write the content and make it a video with complete editing, so that in the further future videos you won't get this bad experience. So yeah, that's it, and that's the video. Let's see what it's going to, like, where it's going to take me, and will it give me a job or not. So I will update everything. uh, so kindly subscribe to my channel if you like the video. uh, Give me a thumbs up, and if you want to say anything, or if you want to uh, 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 give any comment, please put it that in the comment section also. Thanks for watching this video.